a windscreen is a great addition to your camper van setup. We do various different windscreens. This is the Ventus with carbon fibre, lightweight frame, and I'm just going to show you how you set it up. In the pack, you'll get the framework itself, the canvas, and what you've also got is this spike system at the bottom, and this is what makes it stable at the base. So you'll start with the spikes and the stabilo plates, and what we'll actually do is use one of the cross poles to measure out the spikes before setting up the windscreen. So start where you want the first one to go. Hammer that spike in halfway, pop the plate on top, and as mentioned, we're just going to measure out using that top pole to where the next spike needs to go. And with the windbreaks, because you've got this spike system and the poles, you can shape it to how you want around your camper van. If you're using a sun canopy, so once you've got those spikes into the ground, that's it all set up. And the reason you have those stabilo plates, if you're on slightly softer ground, like we are here this is quite sandy, that plate can then be pegged and what that's doing then, securing that plate and securing that spike to make it more stable. So once that's in, the spikes are set up, take out the windbreak, the canvas, and you're just going to start at one end and work your way around. So the carbon fibre are 4-panelled. We do other versions which are 3-panel, but they're all the same length, 4.6 metres. And the leg poles at either end are in sleeves. Slide that on. And the intermediate legs will just rest on the spike. They don't go into sleeves. And then you'll slide the horizontal poles again through a sleeve onto the top of the spike. Keep working your way around. Where the two poles join together, you want them opposite ways. As at the other end, this end leg goes through a sleeve. And you always, to make it easier, pop the horizontal pole on first, then slide the leg over the top. And because you've measured it all out, it's a nice tight fit. And like we say, a great little addition, gives you the space around the camper van to give you a cooking area, wind protection, put it around your sun canopy. Perfect for your camper van.